Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So guys, everyone maintain a YouTube channel is the first option. So first of all, this video is learning for freshers and who know this concept. We can do this concept will be very much useful for the YouTubers getting for view purpose. So every YouTube, any video, we can possible by the only one thumbnail. Yes. Suppose if I'm promoting one video with multiple thumbnails, how is that possible? Or else I can promote my entire channel. People know about purpose. I will be promoting for in a particular option is called we can using for social media network. So in this one, we have one tool is there. The tool is not for paid or free, not like that. That much of not discussion. So we have to posting image and we can sharing for Twitter, everything we can done. But link will be not happen. Coming to the Facebook, first option. In a Facebook, we can promote in different patterns are there. When you click the link, they go to the YouTube channel with a large thumbnail option. This is not a big task. So we'll be sharing the YouTube link to the particular Facebook. Autumn will be sharing onto the particular platforms. They're showing for large thumbnail. Coming to the Twitter. So Twitter, lot of people know about option will be called Twitter cards. Which option? Twitter cards. What about the Twitter cards? I'll tell you. In the Twitter cards, we have to promote your any kind of images with a link. Suppose select website card. I have to go with the image option. Image you can select as usual. So based on your requirement. So in this I'm selecting this option. I will crop particular image, select the text and accepting the card. Which URL we can give this my subscription URL. My subscription URL after my ID after my channel name question mark sub under confirmation is equal 1. Why I can give this URL? Anybody not subscribe my channel, they will be subscribed easily in this create any test is a link for 70 characters and post it. It is done by post option. Select it. Now I'm posting this option will be into the my Twitter. Just click and post it. In a posting time, remove for nothing but disable by promote only. I'm not going for ads. Is a free posting. When click this option, if you go to the Twitter profile, when click here, they go to the my YouTube channel. The YouTube channel will be shown to the customers along with the confirmation option. So I can once again show you. When you click here, any new subscriber is a new user coming to my channel, they are showing will be subscribe option where into the Twitter. So that is called we can give the link will be like this. Don't forget is my channel name here. Here get the ID after that question mark sub underscore confirmation is equal to 1. So we can design multiple images, but we can promote particular video, but entire channel will be promote. This is a concept will be designed by the social media network purpose. So we can multiple images, we can promote entire channel videos. Entire channel videos. That is a key point. Sir, or we coming to Rakesh, coming to my field. Sir, I don't have a Twitter cards. How it is work? I don't have a Twitter card. How it is the work? In the purpose, the one of the tool is called is there. The tool we can use. The tool name is called anyimage.io. Everyone, this tool will be work. It's a free tool. The tool will be how it is work. We can go to image URL will be there, or we can upload by the image. Browse the image. Where image is there, upload, title, description, You will be you show the image small or large. I'm setting for large. After that, URL select. Simple method. Copy this option. Finish. No need to go any option. Simple method you can follow. Here, Twitter. Along with content will be visible, or else don't forget to using for hashtag. So it will be facing some problem here. This will be little fix on the particular here. Sometime when you are updating these issues, they will be fixed the immediately. Coming to the LinkedIn, it will be fixed immediately into the LinkedIn. LinkedIn will be showing for two options, personal and the particular personal also. Two things will be shown to the image.io. Here, sometimes here, sir, I'm sharing is not working. Simple tell you. Copy the link, go to the Twitter one. Here you can paste it. Copy this option, click for tweet. So sometime we'll be facing problem here. No worry about that. We can using for that image option. We can use this image and post it. Simple. Sometimes the software will be facing some problem. That time we can go for this link option. So this image one, this one. So Twitter card is the more preference compared to the anyimage.io, or else one more method is we can use by the website. By the website. In a website, we can using for Twitter cards. Which option using for Twitter cards? The Twitter card will be help just in this. Select here and tweet. The Twitter card depend on your particular option name is called by your website. The Twitter card supporting for free blogger, free website. Don't forget the Twitter card. I'll show the Twitter card code. If any image.io is not working on time, we can using for Twitter card option. This star card only one thing where you can your Twitter username you can change it. The code always same. Copy the code into my website. Always the line will be here. Twitter cards. Search by Twitter cards. They show everything same. Only here you can change your Twitter username. Don't add my username. Add your username. If you add my username, benefit for my users. So that is the very much of important for the particular things. This three-line code is very important. Automatically will generate by this option. So if any image.io is not working on time, you can using for website by using for Twitter card code option. So sometimes any image or IO is a facing problems are that code we can using free blogger on the particular websites. They will be support. But in a username, you have to add the your Twitter username compulsory important. Without Twitter account, we can't add your option. Coming to the Instagram. Instagram will be two things. Go to the creator studio, will be there. At time will be posting for Facebook and Instagram also. Facebook method, we can multiple image will be posting there, single image posting also there. If you go to single image, select the create post, where you can creating post, select the page. We have to select option name is called multimedia. Which option? Multimedia. In the multimedia, selecting for create photo visual. In this one, first of all, add the URL. So you have to take some time. So advertise. Here this link will be click. There's a my channel image confirmation. Here add for one more image. Select it. So which image you have to promote it? Select any one image as you wish. After selecting image, your image will be disabled. in this. So we can use in for like this. So in this, best option is called using for 505 images better. That is my suggestion will be. Will you go for 500 by 500 image will be better option. The size will be you can useful the matter. So yeah. So we can go with the multi images. How many images we can go? Go for the multiple images. So that is my wish. I can go for a number of images. In this we can use the large content. But Asta will be we can limit maintain for isn't better. So we can changing the pattern. Share now. After share this option, we can check for your Facebook. Where you can go to create a studio, selecting for create a post option, select multimedia, you can post in this one. Where you can click, they go to my channel. This is my benefit for my link. This will be coming to the where in a particular option will be called Facebook. So we can promote individual or here. We have two option will be called we can promoting your channel will be multiple image also will be there. It's not a big task. So we'll be promoting with the multiple images or we can promoting for single image also. But majorly important is called you can promoting for multiple images. People know about your particular option. The size will be we can selecting multiple image purpose 500 by 500. Use this size and upload images on Facebook. So same like that, you can go to your Instagram, select your create a post, select option will be here. In this where your post will be selected here and select your post 30 hashtag 30 mention. Your mention by 30 hashtag will be here. Don't more than 30 hashtag we can't use. It will be post here. Instagram. Instagram only problem is called link we can't visible in the Instagram option. There is a free one not possible. So this method we can use on the particular option. So the Instagram will be shown to the customer will be like this. So you always follow the instructions to making a very comfortable design using for 500 by 500 design. There's a method for social media network any will be supporting for in a particular option. So this is a method we can follow the social media networks to advertise Facebook, Instagram, Twitter option. Coming to LinkedIn, LinkedIn will be two benefit. In your profile, we'll be promoting for LinkedIn company pages or profile also. Or we can promoting for public plus Twitter. At time will be promoting for LinkedIn and Twitter also. Select image or video, anything will be possible. Select here, done, click here and post it. At a time we'll be posting for LinkedIn and Twitter also. So Twitter also visible by the on a particular image in the time of fraction of seconds. So yeah, so little bit time will be taken. Once we'll be posting is done, so it will be refresh on it, and your particular option will be here. Yeah, when you click, they go to LinkedIn profile. After they go to your Twitter to LinkedIn to your particular YouTube channel or particular website. So this method will be follow increasing Twitter followers and LinkedIn connections, a LinkedIn company page based on your posting option. So if you are increase your YouTube subscribers, method will be multiple images and we can promote your channel with the Twitter cards or your Twitter postings. That all will be important. People will be reaching on the particular platforms. So LinkedIn supporting for Twitter and Facebook supporting for Facebook and Instagram. Just you can log in for one Facebook and Instagram will be done. If you log in only for LinkedIn, it will be done by LinkedIn, and Twitter also will be done. No need to log in for four social networks. Just you can log in for two social network. Everything will be done. Previous only one login is enough to posting for Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. But now they will be separate. Facebook, Instagram will be one, and Twitter and LinkedIn will be one. So this is the option will be we can use on the particular platform. Simple will be connect. If anybody we have to connect Twitter, simple. When you're posting time, you're selecting for anyone plus Twitter, which login your Twitter account is there, they automatically will be login. Just accept and post your LinkedIn and Twitter also. So this method we can follow and promote your YouTube channel, getting for more views and subscribers and reach your peoples. Any doubts? Please ask me in my channel. I always will be support for getting views and subscriber on YouTube channel. So don't forget guys, always you have to promote your video on social network. They will be getting for very good response. People know about your platform and getting will be views and subscribers, social media followers, getting will be connection on the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and LinkedIn platforms. Thank you. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.